at Lake Amistad at a Del Rio. We're going to try our bow at some Alligator Gar. We're going to have all kinds of fun here in the next couple days. Figured we'd look at some of the scenery before it got too dark. Yeah, this is typical Del Rio area, ceniza, cactus, and rock, West Texas. This is actually on the border of Mexico. The Rio Grande feeds this, and the Devil's River feeds this, and I don't know what else feeds this. So the other side of the lake is Mexico. And you don't go over there. There's federales with bandoleros and machine guns on their boats. Bandoleros? Well, yeah, that's awesome. That's the lights on the other side of it. I shot me a fish! Look at this, boys! An alligator gar, over 6 foot. Me and Butch just used, I don't know how many bows to get him in the boat. We broke probably 6 bows trying to get him in the boat. Let me see if I can.
Here, you watching?
I know. He's got my fishing bag. Look at this big sucker! He weighs. How much do you think he weighs? I think he weighs at least 150. Woo! Still got the noose on him.
Here, you watch yourself. I gotta get the hammer out.
Man, this, for some reason our fish smells like boat. I mean, our boat smells like Look at that, 4 arrows in the back. We broke 400-pound test. Hey, be careful with him. We broke a bunch of 400-pound test line trying to get him in this boat. And we noosed him and we grabbed all 4 arrows. We only had 1 bow attached to him by the time we pulled him in. We finessed him in on 1 bow. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. It's time for him to get the... It's just like having an alligator in the boat, boys. This is the middle of a bow fishing tournament at Lake Amistad. I think this is like June 8th, something like that. I don't know. This is my biggest fish ever. I've caught a sailfish that was 95 pounds, but this has definitely got that one beat. And thanks to Butch. It took a lot of bows and a lot of arrows. We nailed him with 4. All right. Back to fishing after we fix some bows for the next one. Woohoo!
I ain't got enough back.
Whoa!
Whoa! Right. Good save.
Careful.
Yeah.
Glad you didn't get to that gap. Huh? Most of it. Must have some. I can't give him anything that's too embarrassing. He's helping me. Woo! Muzzy girls rock.
Yeah.
Ninety-one and a half inches. Woohoo! 7'8"? Yeah, I didn't think about that. I'm curious as to what it weighs. That's my first big gar.
Yeah.
It's my first? Yeah.
Well, Troy's weighed 220, and it was about the same size.
I'm just a sissy, and it took Butch to get that in the boat.
And it did.
What it's going to take is some people up there. Some people up there.
Some of you strong young men
Get
help
some
us
strong
lift
young
this
men to
sucker.
help weigh this
boys.
thing.
Dominate it.
What else we got, Charlie?
The steel post from the...
Well, we're dragging over here to one of these trees.
You want to get on the other side?
See them. Don't get too close, that way we can get out of the picture.
Get us all.
I think it took.
I didn't do... Just keep taking pictures. I can delete them. All right.
And that red bar comes up and comes down. Is that done?
Yeah.
You took a picture?
Okay.
Yeah. You need a
I
pose
don't think I can
there.
get one from that side of that sun right behind you.
Thumbs up.
Trying to get one where I can get it all the way down to the tail.
You can hold the camera sideways.